Changing your workspace name on Experian Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your workspace name easily. Step 1. Log in. Access the Experian Business website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Workspace Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Management section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile icon. Step 3. Select Workspace. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Edit Workspace Name. Look for the option to edit your workspace name. Enter the new name you wish to use and ensure it meets any character or formatting requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new name, find the Save or Update button and click it to apply to changes. You should receive a confirmation that your workspace name has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your workspace name on Experian Business. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.